This video will focus on searching for background information in nursing and allied health found in the CINAHL Ultimate Quick Lessons and Evidence-Based Care Sheets. Start at www.bmcc.cuny.edu/library. Locate CINAHL Ultimate from the database's A to Z list or from the databases by subject. Log in with your CUNY First credentials. Databases are licensed by BMCC. Your credentials entitle you to access the full text of subscribed content. Entering a search on the main screen, such as the term depression, retrieves a large number of results that include access to many journal articles. Under the main search box, filters are now visible for quick lessons and evidence-based care sheets. Quick lessons are clinically organized nursing overviews with information mapped to the nursing workflow. Entering the term depression and filtering retrieves results that include an overview, that is, a description, etiology, signs and symptoms, assessment, treatment goals, red flags, what to tell the patient or the patient's family, and references. Notice the icons in the top right toolbar for accessibility support to listen to the article or request a full-text version in Word or HTML. Use the Cite feature to format a citation in your choice of styles and add to your reference list. Returning to the main page and entering a new search term, STDs, this time we will use the filter for evidence-based care sheets, which retrieves 3 results. Evidence-based care sheets are summaries on key topics focused on nursing practice. Each care sheet incorporates latest evidence, statistics, research, and references. If you open the PDF, notice this care sheet provides an overview with contents organized by what we know, what we can do, a section on diversity, equity, and inclusion, and references. References are ranked using a coding matrix according to the type of literature they represent. Here we see reference 1 coded with the letter R, corresponding to the coding matrix, indicating it is published research but not a randomized controlled trial. Once again, notice the options at the top right for accessibility support, citing your sources, downloading, sharing, and adding to your reference list. For more help, visit Ask a Librarian www.bmcc.cuny.edu/library/help.